Hey Leigh, this is Leigh from Otters Digital Marketing. We basically have the same name, so I really like you. This is the custom video that we promised you around how to improve your online presence so you can attract more customers and book more jobs. All free tips and tricks that you can use to use immediately. The first thing that I would just want to go through is your website itself. As you can see, I've got it open here, and I like the color scheme. It's nice and vibrant, and it really attracts the attention. I also notice you have very nice ratings here, so it's a good job on that as well. The one thing is around the content of your on your homepage. So it looks like you have about 300 words of content or so. Now Google recommends that you have between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content, and this is so that when they do the crawling of your website in the evenings, they're trying to extract a number of keywords and of course to rank you. In order to do that, they need a lot of content to do so. So if you have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage, then you make quite a bit easier for them to find you and rank you. So just a tip, something you can improve going forward. From a Google point of view, this is your top competitor. This is the ranking #1 on Google search results. And I must say I like your website more than I like theirs, so well done on that. Looking through theirs, you know, they probably have between 400 and 500 words of content. It's also not really hitting that 1,500 word mark. So if you can increase your content count, then I think you can beat these guys out quite easily. Next thing I want to go through is around the Google search result. And the first thing you'll see coming up is the Google Ads. So I do see you are listed on Google Ads, so you know what this is about. You pay to have your link up here, so every time someone clicks on it, then you pay Google an amount of money, but it does drive quite a bit of traffic to your website. So very nice to quickly drive traffic to your website, but of course expensive in the long run because you have to keep paying to have your link up here. The second thing I want to go through is the Google Map listing, and this is also very nice because this shows all the relevant businesses in the area. It's nice because people can quickly see your contact number and also your website. And statistics show that between 30 and 40% of all traffic will click on one of these 3 links. So very important to be in these top 3 positions so you can get all that traffic to your website. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, you want to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your company name, your physical address, and your contact number. You want to get those listed in as many directories as possible. You can think about directories like Yellow Pages, Gumtree, and so forth. I normally try to have between 100 to 200 citations just to guarantee myself a spot in these top 3 positions so I can get all that traffic. The third thing I want to go through is the organic search result. So this is very important, very nice to be in the top 3 positions as well, because you don't have to pay to be in these top 3 positions, but it gets you a lot of traffic as well. So statistics show that 29 to 30% of people click on the first link that they see, 15% of people on the second link, and 10% on the third link. It's actually only less than 9% of people that will go past the first page in Google. So very nice to be in these top 3 positions because you'll get quite a lot of traffic coming to your website for basically free of charge. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, I'll show you that next. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this allows me to do is put in a website, like your website as an example, and we'll spit out a bunch of numbers. So these are the numbers that Google will use to help rank your website in the Google search results. First thing I want to go over is the UR, and that's your trust rating. This is how much Google trusts your website. So sitting at a 19, which is not bad. Your DER is your power index, so sitting at a 26 at the moment. So you're doing pretty well. From this point of view, we can still boost it a little bit as well. The next ones are your backlinks and your referring domains. So these are important because they will determine your organic search results and where you rank. So the higher the numbers, the better. But very important to know that not all backlinks are created equal. You also want, a better quality of backlinks because Google will take that into account as well. And all that a backlink is basically another website pointing to yours via a link. It's basically a shout out from their website to yours. So if you can, increase the number of backlinks and referring domains, while maintaining quality, then that will help you tremendously in getting to those search results. You're also being picked up for quite a lot of keywords, 673. That's quite a lot, but I think what we want to make sure is that the buyer intent keywords are being picked up so you can rank them. So the people coming to your website for these keywords are actually the guys that actually want to book a job and actually pay for a service. We'll go through some of the keywords right now, but Also at the moment, you're getting 621 organic traffic, so 620 people are finding your website from Google every month. I do suspect a lot of that is actually coming from your Google ads that you have on top there, for what you're paying for it to be on the top there. If I look at your keywords, I filtered them out to buyer intent, which is like Cape Town specific. You'll see from those 600, there's 9 that pops up, and you'll see Cape Town electrician is one of them coming up. There's 250 people every month searching for this, and you would like to, of course, get this traffic to you. But if you take a look at your position, you're sitting at number 79 at the moment. So from an organic ranking point of view, you're not on the first page. You're probably about on the 4th or 5th page at the moment. So none of your keywords for Cape Town is really on the first page. So really making sure that you're targeting the right keywords with the right backlinks will actually boost your organic search results. So very important to make sure that the important backlinks are actually the ones appearing on the first page. Looking at that top competitor of yours, you'll see that their trust rating and DER, their power index, actually lower than yours, but they're still ranking higher than you. And that's because their backlinks and referring domains are of higher quality. And they're also targeting more buyer intent keywords from a Cape Town specific point of view. So they're only getting 161 traffic, but they're not using any Google ads to get this. So this is all free traffic from their organic search results. And if I take a look at their keywords that they're being picked up for, you'll see there's a couple of ones here that you are not having at the moment. So electrician in Cape Town, there's 450 people a month searching for this, which you're not being picked up for right now. So all this traffic is coming to your competitor and not to you. And same for some of the other ones as well here. So a couple of things to maybe just look out for. Make sure you're targeting the right keywords and actually promoting them from a backlink point of view and organic search result point of view. So just to quickly summarize, see if you can increase your word count on your homepage to 1,500 words or more, so you make it easier for Google to find those keywords and to rank you. You want to be on the Google map listing those top 3 positions, increase your number of citations with the number of directories. And if you want to be in organic search results in the top 3, see if you can increase your number of backlinks and referring domains, but with high quality backlinks, of course. Like I said, all these tips and tricks are free to use, and I hope you're going to implement them immediately so you can get more organic traffic to your site without having to pay for it. If you want to find out any more information, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help. Either way, I hope the best for you, and I would really appreciate it if you can just drop me a line of feedback to let me know if you found this video useful or not. I'm trying to help out a bunch of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Cheers.